All right, I'm doing this question. It says, write the slope-intercept form of an equation that has a line with a slope of 1/2 that goes through -6, -5. So let's start there with that. So what we're gonna do is our slope is 1/2, and we know x and y are these two numbers. So I'm just going to plug them in here. We're gonna solve for the b. So the -6 is the x, the -5 we'll start off with is the y. So -5 equals our slope, which is m, times the -6, which is our x, and then we're gonna solve for b. So we've got -5 is equal to -6 over a +2, which is b. This is gonna divide to be 3, -3. And then we want to get that -3 out of there so we can figure out what b actually is. And when we add 3 to both sides, we're left with a -2. So -2 is our y-intercept. So we are going to start off, we're asked in this question to write point-slope form of a line and convert it into slope-intercept form. So I'm going to show you the slope-intercept form first because I got that all set. So I have the slope, I have the intercept. So my slope-intercept form will be y equals our slope of 1/2, then x, and then -2. So that is slope-intercept form. Now, when I'm trying to do the point-slope form is you take y minus the y value you're given, you take your slope, and then you do your x minus the x coordinate that you are given. So if we were given these sets of information right here, it's easy enough to put into point-slope form. You take the y minus the y value we were given, which in this case is -5. Now it is always minus, so if it's minus a -5, it's actually +5. Now our slope is going to be 1/2 as we were told, and then we do in parentheses x, and then again, it's minus, and then we have a negative. So minus a negative, which is a +6. So it's kind of the backwards version. So this is your slope-intercept form, and this is your point-slope form. And if you want more questions like this, you can find these on my YouTube channel, YouWantAlgebra. Check this out under creating linear equations.